This is Activity 6.2 on page 128, Indexing a Document. We have My Building with Heart proposal open, and another file that we'll be using in this activity is Proposal Concordance. One of the requirements in the Green City Council's RFP is that proposals must include an index. Also, you know that adding an index will help the reader to quickly find information in the proposal. You will manually mark a few words and generate the index. Then you will use an existing concordance file to add more entries to the index. To navigate through the document, you will display the navigation pane. Number 1, display the Mark Index Entry dialog box. First, we're going to go up to our View tab, and in our Show group, we're going to click Navigation pane to display that. And on our Heading tab, we're going to select the Executive Summary heading. So it brings our insertion point right before that heading. We're going to go up to our References tab, and in our Index group, we're going to mark entry. In the Mark Entry field, we actually want this highlighted. So you can highlight it in the background and then click into your main entry field so it enters that. I didn't realize I skipped a step that said to actually select the heading. Okay, so with that in here, we're going to select Mark from our dialog box. And you can see we get our field codes that that entry has been marked. Number 2, we're going to add a second index entry. In the second paragraph on the same page, we're going to select the words Request for Proposals, RFP. So you can just move this out of the way and select it behind your dialog box. Then you can click in the main entry text field and it will automatically update for you. We're going to select Mark for there as well. Again, you get your field codes shown in your document. And then in the last sentence of the first paragraph on page 3, we're going to select the lowercase words of low income. Again, click into the main entry field so it updates there. And this time we're going to hit Mark All. We get our field codes in our document. We can close out of our dialog box, and we're going to save on our quick access toolbar. Number 5, we're going to automatically mark entries using a concordance file. On our References tab, we're going to go to our Index group, and we're going to select Insert Index. From our Index dialog box, we're going to select the Auto Mark button, and we want to navigate to and select the Proposal Concordance document. So it should open to your Simplifying and Managing Long Documents folder, and here we have our Proposal Concordance. We're going to select that and click Open. And that'll close out your dialog box. You won't see anything happen here though, but all of the words in that file have been marked. Number 6, we're going to insert and format the index. Using the navigation pane, we're going to select the document heading of Index all the way at the bottom. Brings us to our blank page, and we want to place our insertion point in the line below the heading. So right where this paragraph marker is. Then we're going to go up to our References tab, and in our index group, we're going to select Insert Index. From the Formats drop-down, we're going to select Modern. Gives us a preview of what that will look like. Click OK. I'm just going to turn off my paragraph marks here. And all of the entries that we marked, along with the entries from the concordance file as well, are listed in our document. So you can see Executive Summary. This is one that we manually marked. Shows us is on page 2. Another one that we marked was Low Income. That comes up on page 2, 4, and 6. And then the third one that we marked was Request for Proposals, RFP, and that comes up once on page 2. All of the other entries here came from that concordance file. I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar and save my updates. And we can leave this open for our next activity.